Jumping the gun, understanding and using the phrase correctly. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to jump the gun. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding this phrase will help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started and uncover the meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, to jump the gun, is used to describe someone who starts something before the proper time. It's similar to being too hasty or acting prematurely. Imagine being in a race and beginning to run before the starting pistol goes off. That's exactly the kind of eagerness and anticipation this phrase captures. It's important to note that it often implies a level of impatience or failure to follow instructions or protocol. The origin of to jump the gun comes from track and field races. Historically, a gun, or starter pistol, is fired to signal the beginning of the race. If a competitor starts running before this signal, they have literally jumped the gun. This term has been used since the early 20th century and has since evolved into a common idiomatic expression in the English language, extending beyond the context of athletics. Understanding how to use this phrase in conversation will greatly enhance your English speaking skills. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, we shouldn't announce the project launch yet. I think we're jumping the gun. Let's wait for the final approval. In personal plans, I know you're excited about moving in together, but don't you think you're jumping the gun? We've only been dating for a month. In general decision making, she jumped the gun by selling her car before getting the job she applied for. Now she has to commute by bus. To avoid the pitfalls of jumping the gun, here are some tips. Patience is key. Remind yourself of the importance of timing. Sometimes, waiting for the right moment ensures better outcomes. Gather all necessary information. Make informed decisions by ensuring you have all the details needed before taking action. Consult with others. Getting a second opinion can provide perspective and prevent hasty actions. Understanding and correctly using the phrase, to jump the gun, can add depth to your English communication. Remember, it's all about timing and patience. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice. See you in our next video.